Hey, Solarken back with another video on what credit score that you need to qualify for solar. And I'm gonna let you know that in a second, but if you haven't already, please go down here and like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. It'll help me out so much by you just doing that. That way you can get notified when I have my next video that I drop. I'm dropping videos very consistently right now. So let's go ahead and do that while we can. Now let's get back right into the video. And again, so what credit score do you need to qualify for solar? Perfect. Well, to start off, let's just make sure that we got one thing. Solar is a very viable option for a lot of homeowners who own their home, who have a high electricity bill, anywhere between $100 to $400 on a monthly average. And trust me, there are some homeowners that are paying $300 to $400 a month. I ran across them, and you'll be astounded. Like, how do you afford to pay a car payment just for your electricity bill? Boggles me. But at the end of the day, solar is a very viable option for homeowners, but most homeowners don't have the upfront cash to pay for one outright. So what they do is they choose to finance that system. Financing the system, there's nothing wrong with it. Majority of the systems that are being installed are all financed or leased. There's rarely individuals that pay cash to go solar. It'd be like prepaying for your electricity bill for the next 25 years. And the average utility bill is $200 per month. So $200 times, let's say 12 months, at $2,400 a year, times $2,400 times 25. That'll give you like an average of like, okay, would you really prepay for that amount of power for 25 years? Nobody actually does that. It just does not make sense. Financially, it doesn't make sense to give up 30 to 40 grand right now to pay for a system that's going to produce power for the next 25 years when you can make monthly payments on it, which is cheaper than your monthly electricity bill. Well, perfect. So since we got that understood, where most homeowners don't pay cash for their systems, most systems are financed or leased, and so we have those two understood. So what does it require you to get qualified for a solar system? It's very, very simple. You must be a homeowner, for one. You must be on title, for two. So that means you have to own the home or be in the process of buying the home, basically mortgaged out or whatnot. Be on title of that home, basically saying that you're on the paperwork, on the documents with the ledger or with the city, knowing that you're legal owner of this particular property. And you must have at least a 650 credit score. Whew. So since we got that out of the way, a 650 credit score shouldn't be that hard to come across. Some people don't qualify. The hardest part about going solar isn't that most people don't want to go solar, it's that they can't qualify for it. 650 credit score should be something that we should all be striving to get or be better than. But as long as you have a 650 credit score and you're pretty much the homeowner, like I said, on title, at least one of the homeowners, the husband or wife, or maybe it's your mom and your mom leaving it to you, but you're on title as well. Perfect. Then that's a perfect scenario for you to qualify for a solar system. The companies that we will most likely be going through when it comes down to financing for solar, if you're doing a loan, most likely you'll be going through either LoanPal, which is one of the top ranking solar loan providers right now. They're pretty much approving most homeowners that have at least a 650 credit score in their own title. You have also Sonova, what's the other company? Mosaic. You have Sunlight Financial. These are all finance company. Dividend is another company that provides loans for homeowners that have they want to get their solar system financed through these particular lenders. They only lend on usually solar assets. LoanPal actually lends on homes as well, so you can probably look them up as well. Pretty much, I have a portal for all of those particular loan companies. I usually go with LoanPal because LoanPal gives out the best approval rate, which makes the most sense for you as a homeowner. You just want to get approved. If you were going through a lease, then you can go through Sunrun, because I'm also a Sunrun certified partner. And then also, I want to say, what's the other company? Sonova. It has a lease option or a PPA. I prefer Sunrun because Sunrun is a larger company and they have one of the best leasing products out there. They do a 25-year, and I just like Sunrun. It's just the company that I personally like. But again, when it comes down to qualifying, you need at least a 650 credit score. Be the homeowner, be on title. So if you're going to ask somebody out to come to your home to see if you qualify for solar, make sure you're all three of those things: homeowner, 650 credit score, and on title of that particular home. If you have any other questions, definitely book a call, because I can get you qualified within maybe 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how fast you give me the information that I need. Get you qualified, get you the documents over that you need to sign. Again, you don't have to spend any money out of pocket. You're going to save anywhere between 20 to 30% off of what you're already going to be spending with the utility company. Basically, you're going to be substituting what you're paying for the utility company. Let's just say you're paying $200. If you were going to get a solar loan for the same amount of energy that you would need for your home, it should cost you no more than, let's say, $156. So you're looking at $156 on one end for solar, or $200 with your utility company. Which one makes more sense? You're saving almost 40, 50 bucks just by going solar. Makes more sense. You talk about 50 bucks times 12, $600 a year without you having to do anything differently. If you're interested, definitely reach down the link below. Click the link. See if you qualify. Actually, get in touch with me so we can see if you qualify. That we can run through the whole process together. My name is Solarkendaenergy King. Go like, share, comment, subscribe.